Or check out my screen here. You can see this is something about Joules. I'm not familiar with this store, but it looks like it's in the UK perhaps. Up to 90% off, winter Christmas, limited restock available, Joules. And established in the fields of Great Britain. Yeah, that's what it says. And okay, it goes to joules.com, or at least that's what it claims. See, it says right there, joules.com. Well, I'm hovering over it, and you can see in the very bottom left of my screen, it's going to go to joules.sale.com. And so, Meta, they make billions of dollars in quarterly revenue. Facebook and Instagram, the Meta owns Facebook and Instagram. And for some reason, they still allow scammers to display a website right here that they're actually not going to be going to. I mean, imagine having billions. It's so terrible. I've seen so many scams and paid ads. No one cares either. Like, no one cares that Meta is allowing scams in paid ads all the time. No one cares. Seems like someone should care. No one cares. I care. So I guess not no one. At least I care. You probably care too. Not that many people care. And it's not a big fun topic to cover in the news with all the stuff happening with other big world events to get clicks or whatever. But Meta is a scam platform. It's basically a scam company. They aren't running the scams themselves, but they are providing the infrastructure for scammers to help their strategies thrive. And they can say all they want about how, no, we're serious about scams. Hit the report ad button. Check the ads before they start going out manually. All of them, not just a few and then do the rest automated. Check them. They're not going to do that. Whatever. I'm wasting my breath. Anyway, this goes to, like I said, joules.sale.com. It's a fake scam website. It's not the actual Joules website, Joules. And I just saw this a few minutes ago. See the very bottom here, admin@susannashop.com. That means susannashop.com maybe used to be another scam website by the same scammers. And so we go to joules.sale.com here to look up the domain information. It was registered back in August of this year, and it was not registered before then. There are no past page captures on the Wayback Machine. So that's what this is. Contact your credit card company or the payment method if you made a purchase. If you did not yet make a purchase, good. I'm glad I saved you. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button that will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. Off to the right of the like button is a thanks button. It goes thumbs up, thumbs down, share. And to the right of that, you might see 3 dots. Tap the 3 dots. The 3 dots will expand a menu. Thanks will be in there. That's a safe way to give something back to me. Unfortunately, right now I'm only receiving $10 a week total on average through the thanks button specifically. Not a lot, but you can help up that. And when I receive anything through that, it means more to me than you know. Just trust me. Free video here, but if you're financially well off, you want to throw something my way, maybe a surprise, amazing amount, I'll take it because I make so many videos to help people, with scams and yeah. Anyway, that's what this is. Thank you for watching.